Mala meditation, deeply entrenched in the spiritual practices of Hinduism and Buddhism, offers practitioners a profound pathway to inner peace, spiritual elevation, and mindfulness. At its essence, mala meditation revolves around the use of a string of beads known as a mala, to aid in counting repetitions of a mantra or a sacred phrase. The mala typically consists of 108 beads, each representing a sacred aspect of the universe, and a larger bead known as the guru bead, or sumeru, symbolizing the divine source of all creation. During mala meditation, practitioners hold the mala in their hand and recite their chosen mantra or sacred phrase with each bead, moving their fingers along the beads sequentially. This rhythmic repetition creates a soothing and meditative rhythm, allowing practitioners to enter into a state of deep concentration and inner stillness. Moreover, mala meditation is not simply a mechanical recitation of words, but a spiritual practice of devotion and mindfulness. As practitioners recite their chosen mantra with sincerity and intention, they cultivate a profound sense of connection with the divine and with the universe as a whole. The repetitive nature of the practice helps to quiet the mind, dissolve distractions, and awaken a heightened awareness of the present moment. Furthermore, mala meditation serves as a powerful tool for self-reflection and self-transformation. As practitioners delve into the depths of their inner being through the practice of mantra repetition, they may uncover deep-seated emotions, fears, and desires, allowing for healing and growth to occur. The gentle rhythm of the mala beads guides practitioners on a journey of self-discovery, leading them towards a greater sense of peace, clarity, and inner harmony. In the modern world, where stress and anxiety are prevalent, mala meditation offers a sanctuary of stillness amidst the chaos. Through the practice of mantra repetition with the mala beads, practitioners can calm the restless mind, soothe the troubled heart, and reconnect with the divine essence that resides within and around them. In conclusion, mala meditation stands as a sacred practice for those who seek to deepen their spiritual connection, cultivate mindfulness, and find inner peace in the midst of life's challenges. Through the rhythmic repetition of mantras with the mala beads, practitioners can experience profound states of tranquility, clarity, and spiritual upliftment, ultimately realizing their innate connection to the divine and to the infinite beauty of existence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on meditation and mindfulness practices. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content to share with our community. Stay tuned for more videos, and remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay mindful and keep meditating.